Hi and welcome to another instrument choice support video. In this video we'll demonstrate how to connect the IC-pH610B Bluetooth pH temperature tester to the Jenco Wand app. To start, unscrew the battery compartment on the top of the device and install the two included batteries, observing the polarity. Replace the cover and screw into place. Next, the pH electrode will need to be soaked. Soak the electrode in pH 4 buffer solution between half an hour and 2 hours before the first use. Then download the pH Basic or Pro Jenco Wand app. Ensure the product code in the title corresponds with the device that you have. Press the power button to turn the meter on. There will be two quick consecutive repeating blinks of the Bluetooth light to indicate that the wand is on and in pairing mode. Press the settings tab on the bottom right hand side of the app, then press pair on the top of the screen. The app will display all available units. Press connect when you see your device appear. And just like that, the pH meter is connected to the app. The Jenco Wand app is incredibly straightforward to navigate. There are three main screens to navigate through on this app, being Measure, Calibrate and Settings. To start, we'll run through Settings. The next set of options after pairing the unit are reading options. Here, you can select a language, select temperature units of measure between Celsius and Fahrenheit, select between buffer sets 4, 6.86 and 9.18 or 4.01, 7 and 10.01, and turn on or off the removal of out of specification digits. Below the reading settings is an upgrade option. If you're using the basic free app, you can upgrade to the Pro. Additional features of the Pro edition include readings can be saved with GPS information, you can share saved readings to other apps and view calibration history. At the bottom of the settings are options for tutorials and further assistance. The center option is calibration. On this screen is where you can calibrate your instrument up to 3 points. For a video demonstration on how to perform calibration, see the links in the video description. And last of all is the measurement screen. Up the top is the current pH measurement, the measurement quality accuracy indicator, and the current temperature reading. And below this are some extra tested details, such as the electrode efficiency percentage, days since last calibration, this will gain a value once calibrated for the first time, the percentage of battery life, and the hold measurement button. For a video demonstration on how to calibrate this meter, or for details on how you can contact an instrument choice scientist for more information, see the links in the video description. We hope that you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.